Guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Before you leave this video, please do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all for tuning in. So today is another tutorial, another simple look. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just stay to the end. See you on my next video. Juicy, bye. I'm done with the eyebrow off camera, so now we are going to be doing simple makeup look. So I'm using the same brush with elegant concealer. So I will use my Sasha baking powder to bake a little bit of it. So I will bake a little Sasha baking powder to bake it with my brush sponge. With my sponge, I will be baking it. So I will leave that for the moment. So I will go for concealer, primer, and my foundation before I will come back to the eyeshadow. A little bit eyeshadow, a little of primer. I don't need so much on my face, just a little bit. So I'm going for foundation, my regular foundation for the moment. So I'm going with, so using my brush, just pop 3. So top. Okay, let's start blending. So I will just use the brush to soak a little bit of foundation. So I'm using the elegant concealer also to just a little bit. So I don't want so much, no. So I will blend it with my beauty brush sponge. With sponge, so I'm using this little, I'm using 2 mirror here, one little and one at my front. So I'll blend it with my brush. Where's the brush? So let me use this brush to blend it. So I will use the same brush, no? So today is not baking day, so we are just going to apply it. So I'll be taking for this powder here, this contour powder from Revolution. So I will use my MAC powder as a finishing powder. So where is my brush? So I will use this brush here. Little bit eyeshadow. It's not that I need eyeshadow, but I need to put something on my So I'm using a glitter eyeshadow to make it a little bit pop out, you know, to look good later, you know. You know, it's summer. I will do the same thing the other side. So I'm using the same brush anyway. So that is it. So this is the eyeshadow I was using. That is the glitter, yeah. So I'll be doing my wing liner with my water eyeliner. Yes, so that is what I'll be doing. So I will make it more little bit for you to see. So you know, sometimes I always do invisible eyeliner. So that is it. So that is all. So I'll be using my mascara. So I'll be using my everyday lashes, so it's not that loud volume you can loud lashes you can see. So it's invisible lashes, so it's my everyday lashes which I got in Amazon. Yes, so that is it. So I'm applying the glitter eyeshadow to make it pop out, no, to make it poppy. So I'm using the blush to blush my cheek. So that is what I'm using blush on my cheek. I will also use for this revolution, yeah, so to highlight my cheek. So I will use this brush. So I'm using my smart box setting spray to spray my makeup, my face. Also use the brush now to tap it all over. I'm using this lip liner. So I'm using the brown lip liner. I also use it on my eyebrow also, so that is what I'm using on my lip now to make it a little bit, no, good on me. I'm using Golden Rose Soft Matte and Matte Cream Lip Color. That is what I'm using, number 170. So I'll be using this glitter lip gloss which says shine shine wet look lip gloss. So I got it also in a Golden Rose. So I got those two in the same place. So I'm coming back with my hair done. See you. So here is the finished look of this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Ciao.